Today we're going to show you how to make Jamaican oxtail, one-pot rice and peas, also known as butter rice. For this recipe, I'm using the following ingredients, so take a screenshot now. First, wash the oxtail with salt and fresh lime. Season with garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder, paprika, Grace all-purpose seasoning, green seasoning, pimento, and a little browning for color. For best flavor, season your oxtail at least 2 hours ahead or overnight in the fridge, so the seasoning really soaks into the meat. Heat oil in a heavy pot and saute onions, garlic, sweet pepper, and scallions until fragrant. Remove and set aside. We'll add these back later when fluffing the rice. In the same pot, add more oil and fry the oxtail on each side for about 6 minutes until nicely browned. Add water, cover, and let the oxtail cook for about 1 hour. Add the washed red peas, garlic, onion, and pimento. Cover and cook for about 30 minutes. Add thyme, scotch bonnet peppers, scallions, carrots, and Grace coconut milk. Taste and adjust seasoning. Then add the washed rice and stir. Cover the pot, lower the heat, and let the rice steam for 15 minutes. Remove the peppers, thyme, and scallions, then fluff the rice. Add back the sautéed vegetables and your oxtail, one-pot rice, and peas is ready. Rice shelly, oxtail tender, everything cooked to perfection. Subscribe for more delicious, authentic recipes with Grace Foods